Okay. Hello everyone, it's very honored. Let me introduce our company and business. We are a manufacturer for the cable and connectors in China. We're located in Ningbo, and we do the cables and connector manufacturing for more than 16 years. And we are now cooperate with many renowned audio video business partners. So let me briefly introduce our products. First, we do a lot of different connectors, XLR, the DMX XLR connectors, the power, and the Ethernet, the RJ45, and also some SEETRONIC. And let me introduce one new product of us. We have now launched the high-level XLR connectors. It uses the stainless steel housing. It is more stable and have longer life cycle, so very good for the outdoor implementation. Another thing is we have the Innovate one SEETRONIC connector, and we have the unique locking mechanism. We are the innovator of this product in the industry. Let me show you. Normally you lock a cable, use the screw ring or use screw, but with this product you don't need this anymore. You just have the hole and insert the cables. Then yes, then it will lock very stably. And when you want to unlock, you just press the button and you will get the cable outside. Yeah, so this is very unique for this industry. And we are looking forward to find more business partners that need for the different kind of connectors and cables for this industry. We will give you much competitive price and also the same good quality as Nutric, the renowned brand in this industry. So we are looking forward to hear from you. Thank you. It's okay?